So if we have given the values of a, b, c and d, different values, and they ask us find a, d square minus d square type question, a minus b plus c minus d, and these type of questions. So how can we solve this question? First of all, we have to understand that these values we will use in the given expressions, right? Wherever in this expression there is a, we will put its value 3. Where in this expression we have the value b, we will put in place of b its value 2. And in these expressions wherever is c, we will put its value 5, which is given. And in these expressions wherever we have d, we will use its value minus 2. In this way we can easily solve the questions. Whatever the functions is going on, we will apply it and we can solve it. For example, in first value find AD, this is a question of GCSC maths. I will show you. This is a question. If a is equal to this and this value, find the value of these given expressions, right? So these questions are very simple. Only you have to remember the rule that wherever a is used, we will put its value 3. Wherever there is b, we will put its value 2. Wherever we have c in these expressions, you will use its value 5. And wherever we have d in these expressions, we will put its value minus 2. So I will show you how can we solve it. For example, here is our first part. We have to find its value d square. So what we will do, d square. So we will check what is the value of d here. D is equal to minus 2. So in place of d, just I will write its value minus 2, and after that whatever the expression is, if it says power or has positive, negative, whatever sign, we will do it. So d square meaning in place of d, I am just using its value minus 2, right? And minus 2, its power is 2, it means minus 2 is multiplied by minus 2 times this index or power. Minus multiplied by minus and 2 multiplied by 2. So its answer will be minus multiplied by minus, it will give you positive, and 2 multiplied by 2, it will give you 4 answer. So these values, these questions, they are very simple. Only one thing we have to remember, we will replace their values whichever given. The second expression, second part we have, the second part, first part is AD. So A, its value is 3. I'm just putting the value of 3 here, right? And the value of D is minus 2. Just put it here, right? When there is no sign, always remember the sign will be plus sign. So plus multiply by minus, these signs will multiply each other and the numbers will multiply with each other, right? So plus and minus, they will multiply each other, they will give you minus sign. 3 times 2 will give you 6. So its answer will be minus 6. It's very simple. In third part, you will check, they have given minus d square like that. So we have to check the expressions. Remember, this d square is in front of you. It's very simple. But here they have given minus and d square is in parentheses or in brackets. So this minus sign I will write first of all, and then just I am going to replace the value of d. You can see, just I replace d with minus 2. All other expressions, all other things, they are the same. Minus is same here, this square sign is same here, only I am going to replace d with minus 2, right? And this expression is inside the parentheses, these parentheses, right? So the brackets will be doubled here because I am just using in place of d its value minus 2. So this minus is here. Minus 2 whole square value is plus 4. So minus multiplied by 4 will give you minus 4 here. You have to remember this minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. I will show here. Minus 2 whole square meaning minus 2 will multiply by minus 2 2 times, 1 and 2, because its power is 2. Minus multiplied by minus, its answer will be plus. Sign will multiply each other and numbers will multiply with each other. So this is answer of minus 2 whole square, but this sign is of here minus. That's why the answer is minus 4, right? And now fourth part, a minus b plus c minus d. In place of a, I am going to put the value of 3 minus of this sign. This in place of b, I am going to put the value of 2. This plus sign here. In place of c, I am going to put its value 5. And in this minus is already here, but the value of d is minus 2, so I will write it in the parentheses or brackets, right? Just I have put their values, nothing else. In the next step, you will see minus and minus, they will multiply each other, so they will give you plus sign. Step by step we will solve it, right? Now in the next step you will check this has plus sign, this has plus sign, and this has plus sign. So plus values will add each other. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, and minus value is minus 2 here. In the next step I will subtract them. So this is the answer. Just you have to apply the mathematical rules of addition, subtraction, or whatever multiplication, nothing else, right? So this is very simple. The next one is fifth part, AB plus BC plus CD. So in place of A, I will use its value, which is given me 3 the above. A is 3, B is 2, plus B is 2, C is 5, plus C is 5, and D is minus 2. Just I have put its values A, B, C, and D. I am going to replace their values, nothing else. Whatever the function is, here function is of multiplication. So 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus and minus sign will give you minus sign. When they are going to multiply, it will give you plus 10, minus 10, sorry. So plus 10 and minus 10. Same value, same number with opposite signs, they will cancel each other. So the answer will be 6, right? So this operation is going to use here to solve it. 6th part. No, A plus B, A value is 3, B value is 2, divided by D value is minus 2, right? You can check. I'm going to put the values from the above, which is given. 3 add 2 will give you 5, divided by, I can write it like that, or in next step you can see minus 5 divided by 2. So that will be our answer. Next is 7th part. A plus B, no brackets, and divided by d. So a value is 3, b value is 2, and d value is -2. In this case, what we will do, like that, plus minus will multiply each other, it will give you minus sign. The answer will be 2 here. So these two, you can see it look like they are same, but the brackets will give you different answer. Here a plus b is inside the parentheses or brackets, but here there is no brackets or parentheses. A plus b mean the answer of a plus b, whole a plus b is divided by 2. But here you can see a plus b and b is divided by d. So you can see the answer will be different. Just you have to check the expressions, and in the given expression just you have to replace their given values, and then you have to do the operations, whatever operation is here. For example, multiplication operation or subtraction operation, or inside the parentheses how to solve the brackets first of all, and which number is divided by. The example is in front of you, you can see the difference here. Just you have to apply the given operations, and then you can easily solve these questions. The questions like that, they will give you values of a, b, c and d, and then they can say you have to solve or find the values of these expressions. So these are very simple. All the mathematical rules of addition, subtraction, division, or index rules, these will be applied here, and you can easily solve these questions. They are very simple. Hopefully you can understand these questions.